Hello, first graders. Today we are going to take your spelling test with words ER, IR, and UR. Be sure you have your spelling test paper or a blank lined sheet of paper numbered 1 to 12. Let's get started. Her coat was on my desk. Her. Fern. A green fern grew in my yard. Fern. Girl. The girl ate a snack after school. Girl. Sir. Please, sir, which way is the bus? Sir. Stir. Please stir the cake mix. Stir. Bird. The bird sat in a tree. Bird. Fur. The cat licks its fur. Fur. Hurt. Kim got hurt on the playground. Hurt. Turn. Do we turn right or left? Turn. Third. My brother is in 3rd grade. Third. Curl. The dogs curl up on the couch. Curl. First. My team came in first place. First.